Hello everyone, I am Hussein, and in this video I'm going to talk about string manipulations and actually working with the strings in C#. So let's start with defining a string variable. Let's say my name, and I will simply write my name, Hussein Azizullahi, easy, semicolon. Now we have some options for string variables, as you know. One of them is length, which we can find how much the length of our string is. One of the features that the string variable has is replace. So you can replace any part of your text in here with anything else. Now I'm gonna just replace Azizullahi, my family name, with nothing. So I'm actually removing my family name and just showing my first name. Console.writeLine, my name. And don't forget that by doing so, the result will be returned. And this my name will not change. So if you're going to show the result, you should just write a and define a new variable. Let's say only my first name. Now I'm gonna paste it here. Now let's run it. As you can see, only my first name is appeared. Also, there are other ways that you can manipulate your string, working with $sign. Now let's define a new variable, the result, and in here I'm going to say hi, my name here, and then I would likely to write today is now the date, right? How can I put my name here? Well, you can do something like the old way here, writing a plus sign and then adding my only first name, and then adding the date, doing DateTime dot now the toString, and now adding the format saying month, day, and year. Adding plus in here. There you go. Now we can see the results, but as you can see, we could do this, but there was a better way. Instead of writing plus 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 plus, this is kind of annoying. There is a $sign. We can use it, and then let's remove this part, and then let's remove this part, then again let's remove this part. Now we shall add curly braces here and then here. Whatever you put in the curly braces will be assumed that it's a variable that you're going to append to the string that you just wrote in here. So it's very handy. The date is also, it goes the same for the date, and in here you can write toString and then doing the same thing, but well, there's a better and neat way by just writing a colon and then the format of the date that you desire to write. I write this way, and now let's run it. Well, as you can see, the same result just appeared on the window. Now let's assume that you're going to show only 4 characters of your name and the rest shall be masked. What we are going to do, we're going to first define a new variable called my masked name. And let's initialize it. Now we're going to write a for and my name dot length in here. Now here, if I is greater than 3, and if my name brackets I is space, my mask name shall append an asterisk. Else my mask name shall append the my name bracket I character. Now let's replace this in. So now I just forgot that it should be not space, not and the space. I should be greater than 3 and not be the space. So you can see that we are showing the 4 characters of my name and the spaces here, which we can know that this part is our family name. So that's it. Now I wonder how long does it take to show this part, because I believe that we can improve this. So let's write a variable, a watch, new stopwatch. Now watch the start, and then here watch the stop. Now writing the console dot write line that watch dot elapsed dot total millisecond multiply with 1,000,000. Now let's see. Well, it took about 24,900 nanoseconds. So let me beautiful it with our knowledge on how to manipulate these strings. I'll write it here, and now in here I will likely write it solution 1 took about blah blah nanosecond. Now I have another solution that I believe it will be way faster. Solution number 2. We're using a class called a string builder. So I will write builder, now new string builder, and here I want to do the exact same thing as I was doing here, but this time with a builder, not my mask name. Here we don't have a plus equal operator working, instead we're using an append, and in here also the same, that append. Now let me put this one in here and not toString. Now let's see how much will it to run. Let me change this to solution number 2, and let's run it. You can see it took about 1500 nanosecond time, while the solution 1 took about 24,900 nanosecond time for producing the exact same output. So now you're familiar and ready to work with the strings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified once I publish my next video. Thank you.